To gain control of your emotions, try to avoid reacting to things when you're feeling upset or overwhelmed. Walk away, take a few deep breaths, and wait until you feel calm before you respond. That way, you'll make wiser decisions and won't let your emotions get the best of you. Just make sure you're not suppressing your emotions, since that can actually make you feel worse in the long run. If you're feeling unpleasant emotions like anger, sadness, or anxiety, find healthy ways to cope with them, like going for a run, writing down your feelings in a journal, or venting to a friend. By processing your emotions, instead of bottling them up, you'll have more control over how you feel. Try to get in the habit of labeling your emotions when you experience them. For example, if your friend says something that hurts your feelings, think to yourself, "I'm sad and angry right now." Labeling your emotions will make you more aware of them and help you recognize when you need to take a moment to calm down.